Hey guys, it's Jamie here again, my indicator of the binary destroyer. Today is the 30th of January, it's a Tuesday, and I normally do some live trading for you today, but today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about what you guys get when you join the binary destroyer family, explain where the binary destroyer came from, and where we plan on taking the binary destroyer. So this is our flagship indicator, our strategy, the binary destroyer. Okay, we've got sell zones here, buy zones here. Okay, we've got our signal arrows, simple RSI, a trend dash. Now the strategy itself is pretty easy to use. You wait for the price to enter these zones here. This here is a perfect example. It's a buy zone. Okay, we have an RSI indicated to me the market's oversold. Okay, signal arrows appears, 30-minute binary trade, it wins. Okay, again down here, price comes back down into that buy zone, signal arrow appears, wins. Okay, again, you know, nothing else has really happened on that currency pair. Okay, that is our flagship indicator. It works on all time frames. It's based, I mean, look at it on the 5-minute. Look at that for a signal down here. That would have caught you 10-12 pips, but this here, that signal out would have caught you a ridiculous amount of pips. Obviously the higher the time frame, the more, you know, less noise you get. You know, this here, look at this nice trade with the trend. Price came down, broke the sell zone, the buy zone, signal hours appeared. This is on the 4-hour chart. Jesus, you would have caught 500 pips there, but again, that's the 4-hour time frame. So but this is our flagship indicator. You can see that we can use it for both binary and forex. Now I want to tell you how I got into the world of trading. So my trading career started by googling get rich quick schemes. Okay, and the hot topic at the time was binary trading. Now money doesn't interest me. Okay, I chase freedom. Okay, freedom to get out of my day job and just travel the world and enjoy life. Money, as long as I have enough money to pay my bills, I'm happy. Okay, so I thought, great, I'll get into trading binary. Now my first 6 months of binary trading was just signals. Okay, and to me signals didn't work. I thought it was just complete scams. It might work for some people, but for me signals didn't work. Okay, you know, it was join our trading group with our link, deposit money and get free signals. Okay, I must have done that 5 or 10 times, didn't work. I'm seeing all these guys driving around in expensive cars, but for me it wasn't working. Don't know why. You know, I realized signals just don't work. Okay, so I looked elsewhere. Now a lot of them then asked me, do you want to market for us? You know, do you want to market our signals, okay, and earn a bit of commission from it? Again, I did that for about a couple of months and thought, I don't really want to do that. I don't want to market, I want to trade. I want to learn to trade. So I started learning to trade. And then I got into the world of indicators. And, you know, I was that person for about 12 months, had thousands of indicators on my computer. Thousands, you know, downloading free ones, people were sending me them, I was buying them, and nothing worked. I changed every possible setting you could think of, added this and that, nothing worked. There's no holy grail of indicators, trust me. If it existed, everybody would know. Okay, the binary destroyer is good, okay, but you need market knowledge. Simple. Okay, and when I'm talking market knowledge, I mean, when's the best time to trade? Do you trade around news? Okay, what's the best currency pair to trade? You know, a bit of support and resistance lines. You know, what is the best currency to trade at this time of the day? You know, all them little things, okay, you need to learn when trading. You can't just go into the world of trading with an indicator and expect to make money. It doesn't work like that. Okay, if it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. Okay, you need to learn a simple market knowledge. Okay, you don't need to be an expert with the binary destroyer. You don't need to learn harmonic patterns. You don't need to learn pivot points, Elliott waves, Fibonacci levels. Just simple support and resistance areas, a bit of trend lines. I mean, look, let me give you an example. I deleted that wrong. I drew that wrong. look at this nice support area here. Okay, if I zoom in, okay, you can see the price came down, bounced off that support area, signal hour appeared, met all the rules, overbought on the RSI, in the buy zone, signal hours appears, win. So when that price then goes back down to that support area there, okay, I know it's going to be a winner. Again, price overbought on the RSI, in the buy zone, signal hour appears, wins. Okay, these are simple stuff that just, you know, I feel anybody can learn. You know, there's a bit of support. See this? Support, what becomes support becomes resistance. Okay, you know, a couple of signal arrow here, could have won that, could have took that and would win. And then you could have took this buy zone from that support there. You know, just by learning simple stuff. So when you join the thebinarydestroyer, what do you get? Now for me, I think, okay, the thebinarydestroyer is free. You can have the strategy. What is priceless and what people pay for is this here. Okay, all the training and all the support you need to become profitable. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, you know, or if you're a pro trader. We will teach you from the ground up. Okay, we'll offer you all the training, all the support for life. For life. Okay, there's no other company, no other group that does that. There's the biggest company in England, okay, make millions of pounds a year, okay, teaching people to trade Forex, okay, and they charge £3,000 for their 1 week course, and they're absolutely fully booked. Okay, £3,000, and I went to their course and I absolutely went in hard with them, because all they were teaching was a couple of moving averages, which you can find for free on YouTube. Okay, what I teach, yeah, doesn't come close. I was pulling them up on harmonic patterns. They didn't know what I was on about. They didn't know about pivot levels. You know, and I'm teaching all this in the VIP group for £100 for life. You know, you can't put a price on that. Okay, whatever it is, binary Forex, swing trading, scalping, all the support and training you receive. Okay, weekly webinars. Every Sunday we have a weekly webinar. Okay, and we talk about what you guys want to talk about. This week we are talking about Forex swing trading with the thebinarydestroyer. Okay, it's what you guys want us to talk about. It's what I will teach you. Okay, next week we might talk about binary. Whatever you guys want, we'll do. So we have our weekly webinar every Sunday where we talk about the homework. Obviously this week's homework is Forex swing trading. Okay, so we set the homework for the week. Training Wednesday, we have a training Wednesday. Every Wednesday all the admins, all the group members, even myself, will post training videos using our strategies. I will do one about the homework. So this week I will do some live trading of some Forex swing trading with the destroyer. So that's every Wednesday. Then every Friday we have our trader of the week. I'll just show you a trader of the week. So our trader of the week, this is an old one, but it's just really to say congratulations. Okay, congratulations for helping out, for supporting, for not giving up on your dreams, for constantly, you know, sharing results and just sharing your knowledge in the VIP group. Those sort of stuff gets rewarded. You get rewarded with trader of the week. Next one, one-on-one support. To me, that's priceless. Okay, I'm not a salesman, I'm not a businessman, I'm not a programmer. Okay, I'm not a website designer, I'm a trader. Okay, if I wanted to make more money trading, I would up my trade size. Okay, if I wanted to. I don't care about selling indicators, don't care about selling strategies. All I care about is teaching you guys. Okay, that's all I want to do, is just teach everybody, okay, and spend my time supporting. That's what I love doing, and you can't put a price on that. Let me give you an example. Okay, Lewis, okay, on June, where is it? On June 2017, Lewis tried to raise some money for the thebinarydestroyer. He raised some money for the thebinarydestroyer, okay, and wind the clocks forward to January 2018, which is this month, he started making profits. Okay, I personally said to him I would give him a customized hoodie completely free. I'll put him up in a 5-star hotel, I'll take him out for food, okay, and I will give him the biggest hug ever to say thank you that he never gave up on his dreams, never. And that to me right there is a success story. Okay, you can't put a price on that. Okay, 1 year ago he was trying to raise money for the Binary Destroyer because he had no money, and now he's making profits. And I said to him, I will personally come up there and I'll reward you for it. Okay, and you can't put a price on that. A few weeks ago, okay, well, I could probably do this every weekend. I took a guy out for some food. We went for a nice expensive restaurant. You know, I had to pay for the fuel, I had to pay for the hotel. Okay, you know, I must have spent £500, okay, teaching this guy. How much did it cost him? Nothing. I didn't ask for a penny off him. He charged £100 for his support training, you know, VIP group, okay, and that's it. He wanted me to come up there, give him some one-on-one training. I went up there and gave him it. Even though it cost me £500, I did it for free. You tell me a training, you tell me a business that does that. The people buy something for £100 and then the owner spends more money on them. Okay, it's not a business model, but the difference is I'm a trader. Okay, you know, I can make my money trading. Okay, if I wanted to make more money, I up my trade size. Okay, so this is what I try and say. My personal trading is different to the Binary Destroyer. Okay, it's the Binary Destroyer is set up to help you guys. That is it. That's all we are there for, to help you guys. It's, to me, it's one big family. We all trade together. When one guy struggles, we'll struggle. We'll get involved and helped out. So yeah, everything comes with free updates, okay, for life. As long as you don't break the terms and conditions, which are pretty simple. Don't scam us, don't lie, don't try and steal stuff, don't try and copy stuff, don't, you know, be aggressive, you know, keeping stuff like that simple, okay, and you'll be absolutely fine. Now, it doesn't matter what you trade, binary, forex, swing trading, scalping, long-term binary, short-term binary, we have successful traders in the group to cover that. Okay, if you want binary, you come to me. You want forex swing trading, you go to Mike Vert. You want forex scalping, you go to John. John probably makes 500 pips a day trading the Binary Destroyer. I don't know how, he's an alien when it comes to pips, but he's a wizard when it comes to scalping with the Binary Destroyer. We also have Mark, which is also a binary king, and he makes £20,000 a month trading binary with the Destroyer. And we have Craig, again, starting doing webinars. We have James, and we also have Simon. Simon does have a £1 million trading account in our VIP group. He's on a different level to us, completely different. We're here, he's up there. He's got a lot of money, but he's, you know, he helps out. You know, he knows how to trade, he knows how to train, and he gets involved. Okay, so whatever you need, we have it covered. So this is our VIP group. Let me just show you. Oh, let me just. So this is our VIP group, okay, and I just wanted to show you some success stories, okay. And this is Mark for starters, okay. Mark joined us like everybody else, and you know, just became a Binary Destroyer. You know, he just joined us, and from there he just worked his way up, okay. But I just want to read you his success story, okay, and how it became. So just thought I'd like to let you know I have now cleared one of my major credit cards today. Very happy, because I said in December 2015 I was about to lose everything. My home, my cars, and my life, and my kids, I guess. I was almost at the end of what to do. To be sitting here today to say I've cleared this, and with 2 of us well on the way to be cleared, hopefully this year, I can now say I'm happy. I can take my kids on the holidays they've always wanted. Using the BD, I have made so much money trading, I sometimes have to pinch myself, ha ha ha, but to be honest, you know, it's all thanks to you, bud. I can't thank you enough. Cheers, bud. So like I said, success stories, and that is what the Binary Destroyer is about. Okay, we're not here to make money from people, we're here to help people, and that is where it started. Okay, you know, I got involved in, you know, I thought the only way to learn to trade was to just learn trading myself. Okay, so I learned to trade, and then you know, I with a couple of friends, we created the Binary Destroyer. You know, I'm not a programmer, so I had to pay people to design the Binary Destroyer around our strategies, and we came up with the Binary Destroyer. Okay, and then we had a little small Facebook group. There was probably 10 or 15 people in there, and we all traded the Binary Destroyer. Okay, and then from there it grew to 20, 30, 50, 100, 500, 1,000, and now we have 7,000 members strong. I actually had to set up a full business around this. Okay, full limited company, registered as an educational business. I had to do it because, you know, I never expected this to be so big. You know, we do have a website, thebinarydestroyer.com, but we're in the process of updating our website and service. We're going to have a fresh new website. You'll be able to buy everything in there. You'll be able to go on the website and you'll be able to purchase the package from there, and you'll automatically be entered into the Binary Destroyer group, so I can concentrate more of my time with teaching you guys. That's what I love doing. I love emailing, don't get me wrong, but you know, when you see one guy struggling and you've helped him to make profits, it's priceless. You can't put a price on that. You know, to do that is what makes me happy. So that is why we're going to have a fresh new website, fresh new service to try and accommodate everybody. And as soon as our website is launched, we'll be bringing out the Binary Destroyer on ctrader. Again, what you guys wanted, you guys get. You wanted the Binary Destroyer on ctrader, you've got it. Okay, it's the same as MT4. Okay, we just have it on ctrader. That will come out on the website as well, so you'll be able to choose which one you want. You can have both of them, you know, MT4 on ctrader, I mean Binary Destroyer on ctrader, or Binary Destroyer on MT4, you know, which one you want, or you can have both. And for a lot of people that struggle with finding time, we will be releasing our Auto Destroyer. Auto Destroyer, okay, is pretty simple. When you learn to trade, you need a strategy and a money and risk management. You can't have one without the other. You can't have a profitable strategy without a risk and money management. You can't have risk and money management without a strategy. You know, so you know, and a lot of new beginners struggle finding a profitable strategy with a risk and money management plan. So the Auto Destroyer will control the strategy. It's your job to control the risk and money management side of things, which is good. It's our introduction to the world of Forex. It's part of our new training program. Okay, so don't worry about the strategy. The Auto Destroyer can handle that. You know, you concentrate on the risk and money management side of things. Okay, you can see here, this is on my FX book. I've got it on a £500 demo account with one currency pair, just one. And we can see I've made 4.1% in 4 days, but actually 2 days, because 2 days were a weekend. So Monday, Tuesday, I've made 4.1%. Okay, and my drawdown, I don't have a drawdown, 0.7%. It's done 11 trades, 206 pips, 11 wins, 0 losses. Okay, you can see here, one trade, Euro USD. Those are all the trades. The reason why I'm running it on one currency pair, pretty simple. I'm in control. Okay, I can control my risk, I control my money management side of things. You know what, I can close trades early if I want to, I can leave trades running. I know if I'm not around, the Auto Destroyer will handle my take profit and stop loss if I'm not there to watch it. Okay, and that's what is good about if you're learning Forex. You've got that, I suppose, invisible person there to help you 24/7 if something goes wrong. Okay, and that there to me is a good way to get into the world of Forex. Obviously this will be exclusive to our VIP members because it's part of our training package. Okay, some of the results in here, you know, I mean, the results with this have been incredible. If you follow the normal binary destroyer group, you will see. Look, we can just go, if I just show you some of the results, I'll show you just some of the results in the binary destroyer family. Thank you, Jamie, for your 102 EMA strategy. Non-stop green. People watch and learn Jamie's videos. 21-0 doing Ben's strategy. Hey everyone, just introducing myself to this amazing group. I'll show you one more. Craig's first webinar. Again, Craig's starting to help out in the group. New kid on the block. Again, 2-0. Winner, chicken dinner. Can you see that? New kid on the block. New kid on the block. Winner, chicken dinner. 2-0. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you, what you buy into. Okay, it's not a get rich quick scheme strategy. Okay, you know, we are here to help people. You know, using our flagship indicator, the binary destroyer. Okay, you know, and it's pretty simple to use. You know, you become part of the family. You know, if somebody struggles, we help out and support people. So I want to leave that there. If you have any questions or anything like that, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.